Today I'm making these sweet and savory meatballs, cooked perfect homestyle and Gordon choice sweet and savory sauce. Got my can opener, the old manual. Gonna open the sauce here. Looks good. I guess I should have shaken it first. Pour it into the pan here. It looks like it'll all fit. First thing you're going to want to do is bring this up to a boil. Got a gas stove, so it shouldn't take too long. Stirring it, of course, so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Your sauce should look like this when it's boiling. Now you turn it down a little bit. Keep stirring occasionally. And as I said previously, these are Cooked Perfect brand homestyle meatballs. They're made with a mix of chicken, pork, and beef. Half-ounce bite-sized meatballs. No artificial flavors, no colors, no preservatives. They are fully cooked though, so that means we're not gonna have to cook these a really long time. I like the sauce to be able to really seep into the balls, so I'm gonna probably cook them for at least an hour. Just slow cook them, you know, and we'll go from there. I'm pulling one of these balls out so you can see them. Just, like I say, half-ounce, bite-sized, easy to eat. You can see there's a lot of them in there. I'm just gonna dump them in there. Well, they're frozen. I have to handle these balls by hand here. After this cools too, you can just throw the pan in the fridge and warm them up the next day. You want to make sure that all of your meatballs are submerged in the sauce, so that way they cook more evenly and they get the sauce all absorbed properly. I'm probably going to cook these for an hour, and I'll just stir them occasionally. Cooking up nicely. I just came out here to stir them. You can see they're starting to float. I should also point out that your meatballs while cooking will expand a little bit and absorb some of the sauce. So that's why the pan looks more full than it was. These smell really good. It's a sweet and savory sauce I used. They look good, they smell good. Now it's time to see if they taste good. All right, here we go. Oh man, these are delicious. GFS stands for Gordon Food Service, and their sweet and savory sauce is just that, sweet and savory. These meatballs are tender, juicy, so good. Thanks for watching.